Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of scheduling a UPS pickup right from your doorstep. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make your shipping experience as seamless as possible. Step 1. Access the UPS website. Begin by visiting the official UPS website at www.ups.com. It's important to use the official site to ensure your security and that you're using the latest functionalities. Step 2. Log in or create an account. If you already have a UPS account, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, phone number, and email. Step 3. Navigate to the Pickup section. Once logged in, look for the drop-down menu or the Shipping tab on the home page. From there, select the Schedule a Pickup option to start the process. Step 4. Choose your pickup details. Pickup type. You will need to decide whether you want a one-time pickup or a recurring pickup. For a one-time pickup, select the appropriate option. Date and time. Choose the date you want the pickup to occur. Make sure to provide a time that you'll be available to hand over your package. Step 5. Provide package information. Next, you will need to fill out details about the package you want picked up. Include information such as the number of packages, the weight and dimensions, the shipping service you require, e.g., ground, express. Step 6. Confirm pickup location. Ensure that the address where the items will be picked up is correct. This is crucial to ensure the UPS driver arrives at the correct location. Step 7. Review and submit before finalizing the schedule. Carefully review all the details you've entered. Pickup date and time, package information, pickup address. If everything is correct, proceed to submit your scheduled pickup request. Step 8. Confirmation. After you submit your request, you should receive a confirmation email from UPS with all the details of your scheduled pickup. Be sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure your pickup is set. Final note. And that's it. You're all set to have your packages picked up by UPS at your convenience. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to UPS customer service for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips, and be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.